Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the numpy library to find the maximum value in an array. We'll cover the basics of numpy, how to create arrays, and how to use the numpy.max function, along with the numpy.argmax function to find the index of the maximum value. Hashtag what is NumPy? NumPy is a powerful library for numerical computing in Python. It provides support for arrays, matrices, and a variety of mathematical functions to operate on these data structures. Hashtag installation. If you haven't installed NumPy yet, you can do so using pip. Hashtag creating a NumPy array. First, let's create a NumPy array. You can create arrays from lists or tuples using the np.array function. Hashtag finding the maximum value. To find the maximum value in an array, you can use the numpy.max function. This function can be applied to both 1D and 2D arrays. Hashtag example, finding maximum in a 1D array. Hashtag example, finding maximum in a 2D array. For a 2D array, numpy.max returns the maximum value across the entire array. If you want to find the maximum along a specific axis, rows or columns, you can use the axis parameter. Axis equals 0, find the maximum value for each column. Axis equals 1, find the maximum value for each row. Hashtag finding the index of the maximum value. If you also want to know where the maximum value is located in the array, you can use the numpy.argmax function. This function returns the index of the first occurrence of the maximum value. Hashtag example, finding index in a 1D array. Hashtag example, finding index in a 2D array. For a 2D array, numpy.argmax returns the index of the maximum value flattened into a 1D array, but you can also convert this back to a 2D index using np.unravel_index. Hashtag complete code example. Here's a complete code example combining everything we discussed. Hashtag conclusion. In this tutorial, we covered how to use NumPy to find the maximum value in both 1D and 2D arrays, how to find the index of that maximum value, and how to use the axis parameter to get maximum values along specific axes. NumPy's powerful array operations make it an essential tool for scientific computing in Python.